Today, I'm gonna build a routine with a shaker, a spoon, and a strainer. Let's get into it. I've never flared with these three objects before together. We're not gonna use these in the conventional way. Obviously, we'd stir with a spoon, we'd strain with a strainer. We're just putting together a sequence that we can use with these three objects to try and turn it into something cool, creative, and unique. Shaker, we got loads of moves with the shaker. Spoon, we have spoon spinning. We can balance it. We can put the shaker on the spoon and balance it. We could roll the spoon. Tap. I mean, the spoon can kind of act as a bottle in a way. Then we get to the strainer. The one that I used to do a lot is helicopter strainer, palm spin, spin. Oh, that was pretty good. Try and balance. I wonder if I can focus. Oh, jeez. There is not much else we could do. Oh, hang on. Look at this little lippy lip. Ta-da! I don't know what we're going to do with that, but you can do that if you want. Look at that. Yeah. So there's quite a bit that we can put together here. Shaker, bump, shadow pass, roll, shaker, bump, behind the back, spoon, oh yeah, finger thumb roll, around, nest, out, woo, onto the, oh okay, this is what we're gonna do. Behind the back, strainer, onto the shaker, stall, turn that over there, then, what about this? Yes! That's cool. Inside, the ride, thumb, nice! Catch, back to front, catch, multiplex, yes, and we've still got the spoon. Then we get the spoon involved. So tap and catch like this. Swipe, roll, a little bit of skin on. Oh yeah! Five, oh, catch, sleeve, 1, 2, let's get rid of the roll. 4, 5, tap, over, nest. It's all together, the triple multiplex. Oh, come see the spoon. Let me go down here a bit. Maybe that's gonna help. Nah. Yes! The routine looks like this. So there you have it, a sequence with a shaker, a strainer, and a spoon. It just goes to show if you put some effort into using other objects, you can come up with some pretty cool moves. Which three objects should I try on the next video? If you ever want to have any Flair bartender training from myself, then DM me on Instagram. And the Now You Know t-shirts are in stock. There's a link in the description. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, see you then. Ooh.
feel the heat? Wanna feel the heat? Yeah.